What's the meaning of cherry red? Cherry red. Cherry red.
Cherry red. Cherry red. Cherry red is a bright, vibrant and deep shade of red that resembles the color of ripe cherries. It's a glossy and eye-catching hue that can range from a slightly pinkish red to a more intense, almost burgundy-like color. This color is often associated with sensuality, passion and love, and is commonly used in fashion and interior design. In nature, cherry red can be seen in flowers, fruits, and even some bird plumage. Overall, cherry red is a striking and bold color choice that exudes energy, warmth, and excitement.